Right, here it is. New lights. First of all, I'd like to thank Rohan and Alex from Narva for putting up this competition for us to all have a chance to win, and I was just lucky enough that I had the support of everybody to win them. So I thought we'd do an unboxing. Rightio, let's start, hey? So my Ultimate Connect. Gonna have some fun with these, I can guarantee it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a few little different options on it. I've never used these before, so keen to give it a try. Wiring harness, 5x4. The boys at Ultima are actually going to have fun with that, aren't they? Look at that. There they are. I'm not sure what's in that. I'd say that'll be the lenses. Come with clear and yellow lenses. Yep. The yellow ones in that one. And the clear ones on the lights. Now look at these bad boys. Holy dooly. You can just feel the quality in the lights just by picking them up. How heavy duty the bracket is. And the lights themselves are going to withstand the rough roads that we've got here in Australia. So can't wait to get these set up. We'll have to ring everybody and organise it today. Here's a better look at them. And they are going to go and look a hell of a lot better on the truck. That little unit, a bit of a close-up of it. But yeah, keen to get them on and try it. So thanks again to everybody, especially Rohan and Alex. And yeah, let the journey begin, getting these fitted up and more videos to come.